If you're a budding Pythonista, then you need to master functions and scope. Let's dive right in. First up, defining functions. A function is like a magical recipe. You define it once and use it whenever needed. For example, Python def greet. See? We used to define it and to call it easy peasy. Next, let's talk about function parameters and return values. Think of parameters as ingredients you can add to your recipe, like this. Python def add x, y, result equals sign add, 5, 3, print result, hash output 8 here, and our parameters and sends back a result. Now, onto variable scope. Scope is where a variable can be accessed. Local variables live inside functions, while global variables are like VIPs, they can go anywhere. Check this out. Python global underscore var equals sign, I am global def my underscore function, print global var, hashworks find print, local var, hash error. Local underscore var is not accessible here, only exists inside, but can be used everywhere. Got it? Great. Lastly, let's look at default parameters and keyword arguments. Default parameters give you a fallback option. Python def greet name user, greet, hash output, hello user greet mark, hash output, hello mark, and keyword arguments make it crystal clear. Python def info name age, info, age equals sign 25, name equals sign Alice, hash order doesn't matter, quick quiz time. What's the difference between a local and global variable? And what will this function return? Python def square, x, print square, 4. Drop your answers in the comments. Got questions? Shoot them over before we move on to week 6, strings, file IO, and lists.